Hello everyone, we are solving problem number 563 binary tree tilt. So this is a very interesting problem. Tilt of any tree node is basically the absolute difference between sum of all subtree nodes and all right subtree nodes, basically node values. Okay, so if we take this example, uh, if we check the node 3, the node 3 don't have any child, so the tilt of that node is going to be 0. But if we check for this node with value 2, it has two children with values 3 and 5. So total sum from the left side is 3 and total sum coming from right side is 5, and if we take absolute difference of those two values, we will get 2. And as we can here see, uh, it has value 2 in the tilted binary tree. So after finding all these tilted values, we need to return sum of all values present in the tilted binary tree. So we will just make one depth first search recursive function. So we will call it dfs. Okay, and we are going to have two calls, root dot left and root dot right. Okay, as we are returning integer value from those function, so we will just store those values in the variable left and right respectively. Okay, right. Okay, and what we will do is we will just return so for each recursive call, what we are going to need is we are going to need sum of all left part of that given subtree and all sum from all the nodes present in the right part of that given subtree. So we will just return total sum. So what we will do is plus value of current node. Okay, that is root dot val, and simultaneously we will calculate tilt, which is going to increase per each call by mat dot absolute of left minus right, as they have mentioned it. uh, so this is how we are going to uh, solve the tilt for each step. Okay, and we will just have one base condition. If our root is null, so we will just return 0, as we can't make any tilt from that uh, value. And I forgot to create this tilt as a public variable, so here we will just have tilt as a public variable, as we are going to access it from multiple functions. Okay, so we will just call this function for the root node, and we will just return the tilt value. Okay, we just run this code. Okay, it's running. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, 100% faster. So I will just quickly explain one more time. So what we have done is we have calculated the sum from all the left part, or the all the nodes present on the left of that current node, and similarly for the right one, and we have calculated till for that current node as absolute of left minus right values, and while returning we have returned the total value coming from that node itself, which is going to be left plus right plus the value of current node. Okay, so thank you.